How to add widgets to lock screen on Android 17, stock Android. On stock Android 17 devices like Google Pixel phones, lock screen widgets are limited compared to some custom Android skins. Lock your stock Android and swipe the screen to left side to access the widgets. If you can't see the lock screen widgets, make sure to enable it. To enable lock screen widgets on your Android 17 stock OS, open the app drawer and tap the Settings app. Tap on Display and Touch. Tap Lock Screen. Toggle on Widgets on Lock Screen. Now lock your Android device and swipe the screen left to access the Widgets page. Here you can add, remove, or rearrange the widgets to your Android phone. To add widgets to lock screen, tap and hold the blank space on the Widgets page and tap Add Widget in the top left corner. Search the widget from the list. Tap the widget and tap Add. To rearrange the widget, long press it and move it anywhere on the lock screen. To remove any widget from the lock screen, long press any widget and tap Remove in the top left corner. Lock your Android phone, and you can see your lock screen widgets. And that's all about Android 17 lock screen widgets. Thanks for watching.